Welcome to World's Largest Extremes, where we don't just solve problems, we tackle the most extreme challenges head-on. And few things are more disruptive, more infuriating, and more extreme than the sound of a good night's sleep being ruined by a nightly symphony of snores. It's more than just an annoyance. Snoring can be a sign of poor sleep quality, leading to fatigue, headaches, and a lack of focus. But what if we told you there are proven, powerful ways to silence the roar and reclaim your rest? Today, we're revealing 10 sleep practices that will stop you from snoring. These aren't just tips, they're extreme solutions to an extreme problem. Let's dive in. Practice 1. The Side Sleeper Secret. First up, the simplest solution with the most dramatic results: change your sleep position. When you sleep on your back, gravity pulls your tongue and soft palate to the back of your throat, creating an obstruction that causes that signature snoring sound. By sleeping on your side, you keep your airway open. It's a game changer. If you're a natural back sleeper, try placing a pillow behind you to prevent rolling over, or even sew a tennis ball into the back of a shirt to make sleeping on your back uncomfortable. Practice 2. Elevate your head. If you can't manage to stay on your side, try elevating your head. This isn't about piling up a stack of pillows, which can actually strain your neck. Instead, use a specialized wedge pillow or a solid block to raise your head by about 4 to 6 inches. This slightly inclined position helps to keep your airways clear and reduces the gravitational pressure that leads to snoring. It's a subtle adjustment that makes an extreme difference. Practice 3. The Power of Humid Air. Dry air is a snorer's worst enemy. When the air is too dry, it irritates the membranes in your nose and throat, causing them to swell and vibrate. The solution? Use a humidifier. By adding moisture to the air in your bedroom, you can reduce this irritation and swelling, making breathing easier and quieter. It's a simple investment that can transform your sleep environment. Practice 4. Avoid the nightcap. This one might be tough, but it's crucial. Experts agree that alcohol and sedatives, including some sleeping pills, are a leading cause of snoring. These substances act as muscle relaxants, causing the muscles in your throat to become too loose. This increases the chances of your airway collapsing and producing that thunderous sound. For at least 4 to 5 hours before bed, avoid alcohol to give your body a chance to clear your system. Practice 5. Lose a few pounds. If you're carrying a few extra pounds, especially around your neck, it could be a major contributing factor to your snoring. The extra tissue can put pressure on your throat and block the airflow. It's a difficult truth to face, but even a small amount of weight loss can dramatically improve or even eliminate your snoring. Practice 6. The Extreme Mouth Exercises. This may sound strange, but training your mouth and throat muscles can be a highly effective way to stop snoring. Here are a few exercises. For 3 minutes a day, practice pressing your tongue firmly against the roof of your mouth, or curl your tongue backwards toward the back of your throat. Strengthening these muscles can prevent them from collapsing while you sleep. It's a unique practice, but it's backed by science. Practice 7. The Simple Nasal Strip. Sometimes, the problem isn't in your throat, it's in your nose. Nasal congestion can force air to move faster, increasing the vibrations that cause snoring. A simple, over-the-counter solution is a nasal strip. These small, adhesive strips gently pull your nostrils open, allowing air to flow more freely through your nose. It's an instant fix that can be incredibly effective, especially if you're dealing with a stuffy nose from allergies or a cold. Practice 8. Stay hydrated. Dehydration is a sneaky culprit. When you're not properly hydrated, the secretions in your nose and soft palate become stickier. This thick, sticky mucus can create blockages and cause snoring. So, make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day. A well-hydrated body is a quieter body. Practice 9. Consider a mouthpiece. For a more advanced solution, consider a dental mouthpiece. These devices are designed to hold your jaw and tongue in a forward position while you sleep. By doing so, they create a wider airway and prevent the vibrations that lead to snoring. While they may take some getting used to, they are an incredibly effective option for many people who suffer from chronic snoring. Practice 10. Battle your allergies. Last but not least, your snoring could be an extreme symptom of your allergies. Allergic reactions can cause inflammation and swelling in your nasal passages and throat, leading to a restricted airway. Identify your allergens, use an air purifier in your bedroom, and talk to a doctor about managing your allergy symptoms. A clear nasal passage is the first step to a silent night. There you have it, 10 extreme sleep practices to stop you from snoring. From changing your sleep position to tackling your allergies, these solutions can bring you and your partner the silent, restful night's sleep you deserve. Which of these practices will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. If this video helped you, be sure to hit that like button, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to World's Largest Extremes for more mind-blowing discoveries and life-changing tips. Until next time, sleep well.